Have you noticed the recent surge in the life lessons and moral stories niche on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos? These simple, easy-to-make clips are pulling in millions, yes, millions of views, captivating audiences worldwide. And guess what? You won't gonna believe this. Naturally, I had to check out the channel, and here's what blew my mind. They started just 5 months ago, already have over 100,000 subscribers and only 28 videos. Then I found another channel doing the same thing, but they've been at it for 9 months, and they're sitting at 400,000 subscribers with just 26 videos. These channels right here can potentially earn thousands of dollars. These AI-generated shorts are absolutely crushing it right now, going viral like crazy. And here's the best part, they're super simple to make, thanks to AI. And so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these animated videos so you can start your own faceless YouTube channel or any social media platform. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share some insider tips on how to maximize your earnings from this content trend. But first, let's check out one of their most viral hits.
Once there was a girl named Lily, whose best friend Sarah moved one town away and therefore switched schools. Lily kept reaching out to Sarah, but Sarah's replies became less frequent. For her birthday, Lily was thrilled that her best friend would come.
As you can see, these videos consist of a couple of parts: a story with a moral or lesson, an AI voiceover, AI-generated images and videos, background music and captions. So let's start with the most important part, the story, because a good story is going to determine if your video goes viral or not. Luckily, I'll show you the 2 best ways to create these stories right now. The first way is to simply go to Pinterest and search for short story with moral, because these videos always tell a story with a moral at the end. Here you can find all kinds of stories you can use as inspiration for your own videos. Another powerful option is to leverage ChatGPT. With a carefully crafted, detailed prompt, you can generate incredibly high-quality scripts that feature compelling stories and impactful lessons or conclusions. All you need to do is copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and let it produce the perfect script for your video. Next, you'll want stunning Disney Pixar-style visuals to match your script. The best tool for this is Leonardo AI, a top-notch AI image generation platform. They offer a free plan with 150 credits daily, plenty for creating visuals for your videos. What makes Leonardo AI stand out is its specialized 3D animation style model, which is trained specifically to produce the exact kind of vibrant, high-quality images you need. By using this model, you can consistently generate perfect visuals that bring your videos to life. To bring your script to life, you'll need detailed prompts tailored to your narrative. As seen on successful channels, they often use numerous images, roughly 1 per second, meaning you'll require a large number of prompts. Crafting each prompt manually can be time-consuming, but there's an easier way. I've developed an incredibly effective prompt for ChatGPT that automates the creation of AI image prompts. In just a few seconds, you can generate everything you need, saving you time and effort while maintaining high-quality visuals. All you have to do is paste your script at the end of the prompt and press enter. Within seconds, you'll have all the image prompts you need, perfectly tailored for Leonardo AI. It's quick, effortless, and ensures you're ready to create stunning visuals for your video. Now, go to Leonardo and go to Fine-Tune Models in the left menu bar of the screen, then select the 3D animation style model. If you are on the free plan, I would recommend turning off the alchemy setting. This will reduce the quality of the images a little bit, but will also make the images 4 times cheaper to generate. Next, head back to ChatGPT, copy the first generated prompt, and paste it into Leonardo AI. Click Generate and you'll see Leonardo create the exact image you need. Repeat this process for all the remaining prompts. You might need to review the output and tweak a few prompts manually, but most images, about 9 out of 10, will be spot on. Now, to elevate your visuals, notice how example videos often feature subtle AI-generated animations of these images. You can achieve the same stunning animated effect using Haluo AI, one of the best tools for transforming images into videos. Start by downloading the images you've selected for your video. Once finalized, head over to Haluo AI. Click Create, then Upload Image. Each upload will cost 30 credits, but don't worry, your credits reset daily, so you'll have a full balance again tomorrow. After uploading your image, click Generate and wait for about a minute. Boom! Your image to video conversion is complete. The output will look clean and professional, perfect for your project. Simply repeat this process for all your images until you've generated all the videos you need. With Haluo AI, creating high-quality animated visuals has never been easier. Once you've generated all your videos, go ahead and download them. With all your visuals ready, it's time to move on to the next step. Before editing everything together, you'll need a voiceover. For this, I highly recommend 11 Labs, the most realistic AI voiceover software available. They offer a free plan with 10 minutes of voice generation per month, which is plenty for short videos like these. To get started, go to the Voices section on the left-hand menu and click Library. Here, you'll find thousands of high-quality voices to choose from. For these videos, I suggest narrowing down the options by setting the language to English, the age to middle-aged, and the gender to male, as these voices work best with this type of content. Once you find a voice you like, go to Speech, paste in your script, and click Generate. You'll have a professional, natural-sounding voiceover ready to bring your video to life. Now it's time to bring everything together in an editing software, and I highly recommend CapCut. It's completely free, user-friendly, and perfect for creating high-quality content. Start by uploading your images, videos, and voiceover into the project. Begin your editing by placing the voiceover onto the timeline first. Since you're creating short-form content, it's crucial to make the video as engaging as possible. With viewers' short attention spans, a fast-pacing video is key to keeping them hooked. To achieve this, remove all silences and pauses from the voiceover. Simply place the timeline bar at the start of a silent section, then click the split button on the left. This splits the voiceover into two parts. Drag the starting point of the silent section closer to the actual voiceover to remove the gap, and then connect it seamlessly to the previous part. Repeat this process for every silence or pause in the voiceover. This will make your video flow smoothly and keep it dynamic, ensuring viewers stay engaged from start to finish. Now start by placing the first clip onto your editing timeline. But before you continue with the next clips, you want to go to aspect ratio and set it to 9:16. This is the aspect ratio for short-form content. However, as you can see, the clip doesn't fill in the entire screen anymore. So enlarge the clip so it covers the entire frame of the video. Now listen to the voiceover to determine where you need to switch to the next scene. Pause where you're going to switch and shorten the clip to that place in the video. Now drag the next clip onto the editing timeline and again enlarge this clip so it covers the entire frame of the video. Again, listen to the voiceover and pause where you want to switch to the next clip. Shorten the clip and drag the next one onto the editing timeline. Repeat this until you have all clips onto your editing timeline. It's as easy as that. This is already looking decent, but we're missing a couple of elements. Because as you can see in the example videos, they are applying a subtle zoom-in effect with a so-called pull-in transition in between every clip. This makes the videos much more engaging. So here is how you create this in CapCut. Place the timing bar at the start of the first clip and select the first clip. On the right side of your screen, the video settings of this clip will appear. What you need to do is add a transform keyframe. This will lock the position and size settings of this clip at this place in the video. If you then place the timing bar at the end of this clip and add another transform keyframe, you can then adjust the scale settings of this clip specifically for this place in the editing timeline. I would recommend increasing the scale settings by 10 to 20%. What will happen is that the scale settings gradually change from the first keyframe to the second, giving you a subtle zoom-in effect. Simply do this for every other clip in the video. Place a keyframe at the start and end of the clip and increase the scale by 10 to 20%. If you do this correctly, you will end up with something that looks like this.
Lily stared at the tangled string of her kite.
And as you can see, this makes the videos already much more engaging. But you also want to incorporate a pull-in transition. Simply go to Transitions in the top left corner and search for Pull-in. Now, drag the pull-in transition and place it in between every clip. It's as easy as that. Now you will have something that looks like this.
Tangled string of her kite. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with...
The final touch for your video is adding background music. For this, I recommend using Epidemic Sound, a platform with the largest library of high-quality, copyright-free music. If you're looking for a free alternative, the YouTube Audio Library is a great option. To access it, log into YouTube Studio and navigate to Audio Library at the bottom left corner. Browse through a variety of free songs that are safe to monetize. For these videos, I suggest searching for a piano track to complement the tone. Download your chosen song and import it into CapCut. Once uploaded, drag it onto the editing timeline, select the song, and reduce the volume to -10 in the top right corner to ensure it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Finally, add captions to enhance engagement. In CapCut, go to Text in the top left corner. Select Auto Captions and let the software generate them for you. Once done, click Template to choose a style you like and apply it. And that's it, you're all set with a professional, engaging video ready to share. Now it's time to check out the final result.
Lily stared at the tangled string of her kite. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces, she thought. Frustrated, she pulled and twisted, but nothing worked. Her friend Sarah watched, then said, "What if you untangle it from the end?" Not the middle. Lily frowned but tried. Slowly, the string straightened out. "I never thought of that," she admitted. Sometime.
And that's it. With these tools and tips, you're ready to create stunning, professional videos that captivate your audience. Keep experimenting, stay consistent, and watch your creativity shine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.